Hello, hi. My name is Aldrin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you see me in this video. And today is we stay out in the kitchen. We're gonna be showing you something very special. This dish we make it is making in is we make it in the state of Chiapas this is state in south of Mexico. They making these dishes calling the ladies is calling their kill husbands. But don't think says you're gonna be kill someone. No. It's only you're gonna be kill the starving of the husband, basically. So for that reason, we call him kill husband. But usually these dishes make the ladies for the husbands for kill the starving with for kill the hungry he's got when he's coming from work or from outside. They say they are very starving, very hungry. It's in that case it's going to be making something easy. They call them matamaridos, or in English is kill husband. Is I'm gonna be showing you how can we cook, and as well is we're gonna be change the proceed to be make that one. Why? Because it's before you're gonna be show you the ingredients. Now you're gonna be show you in time we cooking. I'm gonna explain each by one. Is by one is and gonna be show you how can we cook. It's very easy. It's no have to be shy for that. I really appreciate that. Continue see me if we're gonna be like it. This video. Please give me a like when it's ready. Is as well is you want to be receiving videos after subscription and push the bell. With that, you're gonna be gonna see all the new videos is coming every Monday. I load up the videos. Okay, right now we're gonna be start to that. The first steps for making the matamarido, we make the corn flour. What kind of corn flour? We require corn flour, yellow corn flour. It's very important because you have the white, you have the yellow. We require yellow corn flour. Is and after that it had to be. We need 2 cups and a half for the corn flour. Plus we need 1 teaspoon the salt. The 1 tea and a half a spoon for, and then you have to be mixing all the corn flour. You have to be mixing with the salt. It's very important to that. And when it's ready, it's gonna be additional the water. The water it has to be very hot. Okay, it's very important to that. Okay, now we're gonna be additional. The next steps is have to be additional 1 cup of the water, and then it had to be start to when it had to be additional 1 cup of the water, we had to be mixing with the water. Why use a spoon? Because the water is very hot, so I said I don't want to be burned. For that reason, is I mixing with the water with a spoon, wood spoons. Is I mixing and try to give you the all mixing is possible. If you need more water, we can be additional more water. No problem with that. Yeah, it has to be additional. Little more, only for making a. Yeah, a little more. This is we additional half a cup water. Okay. The very important is you have to be mixing. Okay. After you working with flour corn tortillas, you're gonna be finished like this. You're gonna be additional the clean fill is to protect to not dry too much. Is and after that you're gonna be left for 2 hours, and after that you're gonna be start to prepare the killer husbands. Is but this is the presentation. It had to be left the flour corn tortilla, the corn flour is and we're gonna be making the killing husband after 2 hours. For making the red sauce for the taco dorados is we require make the spicy sauce. This is if you want to be put this one is we require the chile de arbol. This is 3 chili. Is but we need to be clean the cabot. You need to be put only the chili. Is doesn't matter the seed, but this we have to be remove the cabot because it's can be making bitter. So for that reason, it's very carefully with that. The cabot is gonna be thrown away. Is only gonna be keep the chili. Okay, the chili gonna be put in the pan. Oh, sorry because it's today I forgot my. It's gonna be put like this. You see, this is like this, like this. The cabot is gonna be thrown away. Okay, it's very important that when you have to be clean. Okay, it's you're gonna be put. Sorry, because it's only gonna be put for making a spicy sauce. This one is very tasty. It's very easy to make it. It's not a big deal. This is only this one had to be put the cabot it had to be thrown away. The rest of the chile de arbol is going to be put in the pan. Okay, that's it. This is and after that, I'm going to be put the garlic. Yes, the garlic and oil, a lot oil. Okay, right now we have we only waiting for the had to be heat the cooker. Is the meantime you're going to be waiting for that. Is try to be is all the chilies had to be covered with the oil, olive oil, and the garlic. It's very important to that. And leaving the meantime it's gonna be continue with that. It's waiting for the start to heat. Is and of course is we already put the salt, garlic, chili de arbol, and olive oil. You're waiting for that. This is start to change the color of the chili. When the chili de arbol is already cold, because we left outside to the fire, and we wanna be is make the sauce. We require first this one. It has to be put in the blender. This one. So you're gonna be put in the blender, and then you're gonna be additional is the tomatillo. You wanna usually I buy this one. This tomatillo is tomatillo with pepper, but doesn't matter. This is the more important it can be used tomatillo. Very important that. Okay, after we additional the chile de arbol, we're gonna be put the tomatillo, and as well we're gonna be put little salt, and that's it. And garlic, fresh garlic, because you're gonna require one fresh garlic. Is and after that you're gonna start to be blender. For the killer husbands is we require first make it, the stuff you're gonna be put on topping of the killing husband. So what is required? We're gonna be required making beans, making the chicken breast. Is you're gonna be boiled chicken breast with 1 cube the concentrate chicken. So chicken concentrate. So it's gonna be cooking. This one is plus as well. They're gonna be cooked the beans. But the beans before to be put the beans, we had to be put onion and garlic and olive oil. Okay, for making more healthy. After put the onion, the garlic, and on olive oil, we're gonna be additional beans. We can be using any kind of beans except the beans, the bacon beans. We can be using bacon beans. Why is the reason we can use bacon beans? Because bacon beans, they have sugar. For that reason, you can be using this kind of dish. In the killing husband, we require beans without sugar. So the sugar is going to be change the flavor. So it's very, very important to be keeping in beans in water or salting water. Doesn't matter, it's okay. But no bacon beans. When it is already cooked, so it had to be splash. Basically, we had to be much, but not too much. This is only enough for spread on the killing husband. So is husband killers is require beans. It's little much, not too much. After it's ready cooked, we put the cheese. It's gonna be look like this. We put 100 grams cheddar cheese. It's nature. This is very important to be put like this, and spread all the beans with that. And after that, had to be take off from the fire, and try to be keep it in only warm, but no on fire, because the cheese can be burned. Okay, after we have the beans, we have the chicken ready. Right now we make the big, really big the corn killing husband is and this one you have to be cooking properly. Usually it look like this. This is the side of the plate. You see the side of the plate, and this is we have to be start to be put on topping. The rest of the stuff is required for that. Is this one usually is it require cooking between 2 minutes for side, 2.5 minutes, depends when it's done. But you have to be turned 2 times each time, because it had to be a lot of corn flour. So it's just very important to be take care to twice, turn it twice. Is and this one it had to be start to be topping for making the killing husband. It means killing the starving of the husband, basically. Yeah. For the kill husbands, we need to be taking the one bowl. This is approximal to the side to the hands. So this one you have to be making the bowl and put between the two plastics, and then you're gonna start to be splash, like this. When it had to be broken a little bit, don't worry, you're only gonna be join it, and then it's continue to be try to be making the chili husband. I'm gonna be show you how can be look like. This is now you're gonna right now is try to be cooking making the sides the 20 centimeters 20 minimum. This side is have to be make it for the chili husband. Okay, is you can make it, and then when it has to be done, you're going to be put in the pan and cooking one side for 1 or 2 minutes, and then it's turned to another side, and then it's turned to another side. This is you want to be making twice. You want to be turning twice in each side. Now we have that done. We have to be one chili husband. This side is between 20 centimeters. So after this, you're going to be put in the coma, in the you're going to be put in the pan for making a chili husband. Okay. After this is we put the beans, chicken, lettuce, and radish, and guacamole, and as well is with the guacamole, of course, we put onion, and and then you're gonna be put the cheese and it's in the sauce. The sauce is over there, so you're gonna be put seed. So now you put this one. You wanna be put the radish. Okay, we put right now the radish. You see 3 coin radish. We put the guacamole as well, and as well you're gonna be put the sauce. The sauce is we want to be put the sauce. This is very important to be put the sauce. This is tomato with onion, salt, and basically is not spicy. This is only for making flavor as well. After this, the guacamole, the sauce, and we're gonna be put the sour cream, and of course it's, if you feel you require a little bit salty, by myself, this is you can be salty, and as well it can be put the letter we already did in the cheese. It's very important to put the cheese. This cheese, I'm gonna put like this. Pam 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 pam. You see that? And then what is next is start to eat. So it's very ready to be start to eat. This one is it's very traditional in Chiapas. We make it like this. If you like this video, please let me know. And we can be making more videos like this. But this one is a chili husband. It just mean not kill the people. It mean kill the starving of the husband. So this is the presentation. We have to be making that one. If you like this video, please give me a like. I really appreciate that. This one is going to be help to the channel. As well, is going to be want to be receiving new videos. Please subscription and push the bell. And with this is you can be receiving each video when it's low up. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. See you next time. Hasta la vista.